Right there. Shoot it.
Use your muscle.
Shoot it. Press it.
Go, Jakes.
Press it. Press it.
Scared.
What?
Here, take a video of me. I want to do it.
Hey.
What's wrong?
He didn't shoot.
Nervous. You're scared to do it? Alright, let me try it.
Okay, go. I'm making a video.
Okay, just pray about it. It's fine.
Come here.
Alexis did it.
Wait. Come here.
Honey, don't do that to him.
Look.
You want to try?
Just try, Jake.
Alright, I'll sit over here and wait my turn.
Have you ever shot a gun like the blowbacks? The blowbacks with them. This is gonna hit just the same, but just a little more. Just press the trigger, hold hard, and then shoot one. Like this. I'm gonna hold it, right? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, shoot it.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Go. Go. I'm gonna let you on your own, alright? Let's go. Do one on your own.
He's fine. Go, Jake.
Go, buddy. Yeah. Come on. Yes.
Not so fast, baby. Not so fast.
There you go. Slow down. Aim.
I'm gonna shoot. 5.
Shoot him over there. Go. Aim to the head. There you go.
I'm making
ahead,
a
go
video.
ahead.
Here, you shoot the last one.
No. Shoot everything. Everything in that thing. Go.
Oh, you go.
No.
Honey, it's
I
okay.
didn't.
It might be a lot for him, but